Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your Facebook status. So here you're going to type in anything. I'm just going to type in colorful, and then you're going to select this button right here. Then you can just add in any colors to your post. You can even add in other backgrounds if you'd like to, even like gradients as well. Then you're going to basically just select post, and then your text is going, well, the background will be colorful. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. It's so simple, anyone can do it. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.